YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today we're continuing our 5G series on how 5G has changed my life as a content creator. Today I'm talking about travel because within my job, there is a lot of traveling involved. A big thanks to Samsung for sponsoring this video, and everything you're seeing that's shot right now and my voice is being captured on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. There are 5 different ways that 5G has helped me become a better traveler, starting with number 1, downloading music and podcasts for on-the-go, offline listening. I love music, I love podcasts, but when I'm traveling, podcasts are really important to me. I like to lose myself in like a 3-hour podcast, and by the time the podcast is done, we're actually about to land. So having a podcast downloaded is very important to me, and I really don't think about downloading music and podcasts until I'm about to get on the plane. And before 5G, I was always scrambling to download something. I was pushing buttons and getting on Wi-Fi, getting off Wi-Fi, trying to figure out the best way to download all this content, and I always failed. Now with 5G, I can press a button and download an episode within a few seconds. Especially with music, I can download a whole playlist for offline listening. And then when I'm on the go, I have my playlist downloaded because sometimes when you take a subway or anything, you don't have a connection. So just having music already downloaded to my phone is just really, really nice. Same goes for number 2. Being able to download just a full season of a TV show in just a couple of seconds is really, really clutch. And once again, traveling, sometimes I want to watch a movie, want to watch a TV show. Being able to download that last minute is huge because the night before I'm not thinking about what to download, and I'm thinking about packing my bags, not what to download. But now, last minute, I can just download what I need right to my device and I'm good to go. Number 3, if it's happened to you, you're gonna know the anxiety that I'm about to describe, but let's say you get to the airport and last minute your plane has been canceled, or last minute something has changed and you need to make a change to it and the line for customer service is backed up, but you can use your phone to access this and make changes to it. Well, having a bad connection while doing that is just a very stressful thing, knowing that you have another flight that's available in the next couple of minutes, but you need to book it and you can't do that with a bad connection. Having a 5G connection, you can get right to that website to make that adjustment and make that change as soon as possible. I am confident to know if I'm in a 5G area, I need to make a last minute flight change, I can definitely do that, and I won't have to worry about getting on Wi-Fi, getting off Wi-Fi, and doing all these things to make it go faster, because when you're at an airport, the network is so congested and Wi-Fi sometimes works, sometimes you need to log in, sometimes you need to pay. It's just very confusing, and when you're trying to book a last second flight, it's just frustrating to kind of figure out what you need to do. You just want to get it done, and 5G is a way to just get it done. So number 4 is hotel Wi-Fi. It's not good and it's expensive. I mean, when I'm working on the go and I need to upload a large video to YouTube, and these are 2 to 3 gigabyte videos, hotel Wi-Fi just does not cut it. There's been a lot of times where I'd had to find a coffee shop or anything like that, and it just took so many hours to upload this content. Now with 5G, I can upload it directly from my phone, or I can even tether to my laptop with these extremely fast speeds, and then I can just upload the content that I need. Being able to be agile and be mobile, it's very important for my line of work. But when you rely on the Wi-Fi at the hotel, you're really just waiting. It's a hurry up and wait game. With 5G, you don't have to wait for things. You can upload at very fast speeds, and being able to get my content up as fast as possible is extremely imperative for my job. Number 5 is very, very important to me, and that is being able to connect back home to my family, doing video chats. Look, I have a young son, and being out of town away from him is really tough because it seems like every week he develops and he grows and something new happens. And as I travel for work, sometimes I feel like I'm missing out. Being able to call and just see him and have a conversation with my wife and all those things is just very important to me. And when you're in an area with bad connection, all it does is buffer, and it's just becomes very frustrating. So having that 5G connection to just send a video chat back home, it's just really nice, and it makes those longer travel days a little bit easier. And that right there is worth having 5G alone, just seeing my family while I'm gone. Anyways, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and those were 5 ways that 5G has changed my life as a traveler. These are just ways that I see 5G changing things for me, especially when we get back on the road, hopefully really soon. Anyways, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja here. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.